Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about what is medium. Medium is the source through which energy is transmitted. And next, we learned that there are different types of the medium. That is the transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. This is over here. There are three different types of the medium. That is transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. Okay, we will be learning in detail about what is transparent medium, what is translucent medium, and what is opaque medium. First, children, transparent. What the word transparent means? Transparent. Here we are learning about the transparent in terms of light, children. Therefore, here transparent medium. Transparent medium means the medium in which the light can pass through it. Okay, the medium through which the light can pass through it is called as a transparent medium. The medium through which the light can pass through it. The light is passing through it, then that medium is called as a transparent medium. Normally, if you take air is a transparent medium. Air, water is a transparent medium. Normally, if you drop a coin into the water and if you see through the water, you can able to detect the coin in a glass, not in a sea. Okay, children. That means if it is if no impurities are there, then easily you can find the any object which is kept in the water. Okay, children. Therefore, it is a transparent medium. Water is a transparent medium. Normally, a polythene paper, white color paper, normally whatever the paper, the cover that you use for the covering of the books, okay, that is a transparent medium. Okay, children, that is a transparent medium. Water is a transparent medium. Air is a transparent medium. Okay, some glasses, normally window glasses, window panes we say. Okay, window panes normally during the night time. Some window panes are there such that if you view through the window, you can able to see the inner objects through the window. Therefore, that windows are called as the what? Those are the transparent medium. Okay, children, transparent medium. Therefore, here transparent medium is the medium in which the light can pass through it. The medium in which the light can pass through it. Light can pass through it is called transparent medium. Normally, children, if you can see some books are some dresses are there, children, some clothes are there. Normally the people politicians, they wear a khadar shirt. Okay, those type of khadar shirts, when they wear the khadar shirts, the light can pass through it and we can able to detect that what kind of inner wear, that means the banyan whatever he is wearing. Okay, children, therefore that is nothing but it is the what? Transparent medium. Okay, children, some clothes are there, they are transparent. Okay, children, light can pass through them. Okay, those are called as a transparent medium. Example of transparent medium: air is a transparent medium, water is a transparent medium, polythene sheet is a transparent medium. Air, water, polythene sheet. Okay, children, air is a transparent medium, water is a transparent medium, polythene sheet is a transparent medium. Okay, some sort of glasses, some window panes are transparent medium, like that, children. Okay, right. Next, we will be learning about the next one, children, that is a translucent medium. Second one is the translucent. Second one is the translucent. What do you mean by this translucent? In this medium, light can pass through it, but it can pass only partially. Only little bit it will be passing. Only little bit of the light, if it is passing through the medium, then that type of medium is called as a translucent medium. Okay, the medium in which the light can pass through it partially. The medium through which light can pass through it partially. Light can pass through it partially. Okay, normally example children, example oil paper, carbon paper, some window panes are the examples. Window pane means some type of the window glasses children. Those are the translucent medium. The medium through which the light can pass through it partially children. Okay, partially means only little bit, some quantity of the light is passing through it. Then that type of mediums are the type of medium is called as a translucent medium children. That is the translucent medium. The medium through which the light can pass through it partially, it is called as a translucent medium. Okay children, translucent medium. Okay, right. These are the translucent medium. Next we are having opaque medium. Opaque means light cannot pass through it. The medium through which the light cannot pass through. The medium through which excuse me, the medium through which the light cannot pass through it. Is called opaque medium. That means in the opaque medium, the light reflects. The light reflects. It will not pass through it, but whereas it reflects the light. Example, stone. Okay, wall. Earth is a opaque medium. Normally, it reflects the light. It reflects the sunlight. Earth reflects the sunlight, children. Therefore, earth is a opaque medium. If a light is falling on the wall, it reflects back. Okay. If a light is falling on the a stone, it reflects back. If a light is falling on any object, it reflects back. Most of the objects in the universe, they are the reflectors. Okay, reflectors. Okay children. Therefore here opaque medium, the medium through which the light cannot pass through it, is called as the opaque medium. Example, stone, wall, earth, etc. Okay children. These are the different types of the medium children. There are the different types of the medium. Okay. Again, in terms of the refraction, we will be learning about some more types of the medium. That is the rarer medium and denser medium, children. But here first, for the starting, we learn that here we learn that there are different types of the medium. That is transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. Transparent medium is the medium in which the light can pass through it completely. Okay, that is the transparent medium. Translucent medium is the medium in which the light can pass through it partially. It is called as a translucent medium. And the next one is the opaque medium, the medium in which the light can pass through it. Okay, light cannot pass through it, it is called as the opaque medium. And we have seen many of the examples of the transparent, translucent, and opaque medium, children. Okay, we learned the different types of the medium. That is a transparent, translucent, and opaque medium, children. Okay, here we have seen the different types of the transparent, translucent, and the opaque medium, children. Okay, these are about the different types of the medium, children. Okay, right. Next, we learn, okay, children, what is reflection. We were learning about that in the case of the opaque medium. In case of opaque medium, we are saying in case of opaque medium, we are saying that okay, light reflects. Then what do you mean by reflection? What do you mean by the reflection? Let us see. What do you mean by reflection? Okay, children. Right. Reflection. See here, children. Reflection. say here, normally if I throw a ball, onto the wall, what happens? It reflects back. Why it reflects back? Why? Because the ball is not allowed to go to pass through it. The light, if the ball is, if there is a big hole, if I throw the ball from here, what happens? The ball can pass through the hole. But whereas if there is a wall, there is no hole, then what happens? The ball reflects back. It again bounces back. In the same way, light also, children. Light also. That means normally if a light is incident on any of the surface, if a light is incident on the wall, normally sun rays coming, light is incident on the here on the what board, then it reflects back. Okay, therefore here it bouncing back. Therefore here reflection means the bouncing back of light into the same medium. When we are throwing from air, it is coming into the air. Therefore that is called as reflection. The bouncing back of light into the same medium through which it cannot pass through it is called as a reflection, children. Okay. The bouncing. What do you mean by reflection? Is the bouncing back of light. The bouncing back of light into the same medium. Is called reflection. Simply we can say, or we can say in a detail also, that is the bouncing back of light into the same medium through which it can't pass is called as a reflection. Okay. Okay, this is the bouncing back of light into the same medium is called as the reflection. Okay. Therefore here today we learned that what the different types of the medium. Medium is the source through which energy is transmitted. Okay, there are three different types of the medium, that is a transparent medium, translucent medium and opaque medium. And we learned what is transparent, what is translucent, what is opaque medium. And in the opaque medium we are having that reflection takes place. Reflection of the bodies takes place. What do you mean by reflection? The bouncing back of light into the same medium is called as a reflection. Okay. Remaining we will be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.